Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Julio from Rushmasters Painting and JG Multi Services and Home Improvement. Today we are coming back to our project here in Ocean City. So I wanted to show you the progress of the job. Just follow me to here. This job is looking good. Hi, good afternoon, John.
Alright.
John is one of my finest customers here. We are just doing some renovation in here. How are you feeling so far with the job, John? What can you tell us?
So far, so good. Just if you look around and you can see from the work done that everything's been brightened up with a nice floor, which you can't see what's on the other side. You got this nice countertop that's been developed. It's working very well.
Well, thank you, John. We appreciate to work with you. So we're gonna just keep showing the guys. We are also installing a new metal drop ceiling. As you can see, we got all the frame here. As John was explaining, we're gonna have a very nice shiplap wall on the front of the countertop right here. So the top of the countertop is gonna be a butcher blocker. It's a very nice finish. It's a very solid wood. It's gonna be all in white around here. We're gonna have also a little countertop all the way through here until this corner, and also in this corner too. Now we are working on the framing around the door trims. This is a nice frame. We're gonna work on that. Pablo, how you doing today, Pablo? Pablo is the master carpenter. Oh, sorry. This is Mr. Mario. Mr. Mario is always working. He never said anything, just working. Pablo, how's it going? Pablo is like Picasso doing all the trims. And he's cutting the trim just to set up all the trims around the doors. If we go over here too, we can see in here we already have the metal drop ceiling already installed. The floor is already done here. It's a brand new floor. This is a vinyl floor. It's a light proof. It's a very solid and very nice floor. And we got everything priming here. We are almost ready to start the process of painting. So, well, everything is looking good. It's gonna be all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more updates about this project and other projects around the city. Hasta la vista.